Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, let's talk about coconut oil. Coconut oil has many benefits on our skin and the hair. It can help keep our skin smooth, hydrated, and it's perfect for keeping our hair healthy and keep the scalp stronger. There are three types of coconut oil. It's popular used. One is the virgin coconut oil. Second is called a refined coconut oil. The third one is fractionated. So what are the difference? How to choose the right one for your use? And today I will gonna compare these three different coconut oils and tell you the difference based on two numbers, number 3 and 1, and one letter E. So if you remember this, then you will know how to choose and use different type of coconut oil. Hey, please consider joining our member to support us. You will receive a member badge and you have member questions that will have a priority to be answered. And you also can watch the member videos. Recently, just released one video talk about the history of distillation. Very interesting. Covers thousands of years evolution of this old technique, but it's still very popularly used even today, including making essential oil, hydrosols, those perfumes, nature medicines for our health and well-beings. Now I'm going to talk from 6 different angles about the difference of these 3 coconut oils. The first one is odor. We love coconut oil and some people really like its smell. So when they make the coconut oil, they cut the white piece inside out and do the cold press. That make the virgin coconut oil. If you really like the coconut smell, the scent, virgin coconut oil is the one you go. And a refined and a fractionated coconut oil, they're doing the process to clean up the odors. Those are many from those phenols, polyphenols, volatile compounds. So those has been washed away. For the fractionated coconut oil, they do the actual process to remove the long chain fat. That's the big difference between the virgin and the refined fractionated coconut oil. So if you love the smell, use the virgin one. Second, there is a chemical composition difference between these 3 oils. For refined and fractionated, they do an actual process to clean up the coconut oil. For the refined, they mostly remove the volatile compounds. That's why they lost the scent and also remove some impurities, waters, and some free fatty acid. Now is the term we call a free fatty acid. Remember that. It's not a good stuff. Free fatty acid is one line, single chain. It's different with the most of the compound within the coconut oil. Most of them are called triglyceride. Those are 3 chains. 3 chains of this fat linked together by the glycerine. So that make it fat. Those are good stuff. So the 3 chains good, 1 chain is bad. 1 chain is called free fatty acid. Free fatty acid bring a lot of side effects, including diabetes. Free fatty acid also being used as a factor to evaluate the quality of vegetable oil, including like olive oil. So if you have more free fatty acid, that means your oil is bad. So remember, the 3 is good, 1 is bad. And the fractionated, as I mentioned, it mainly contain the medium chain triglyceride. That's also called MCTs. If you want to use a food to help you do the weight management, you must know the MCTs. The third one is status. You already saw the difference between these 3 oils. Virgin coconut oil is a solid at room temperature, also refined coconut oil. But a fractionated is liquid. So this makes a difference. If you making lotion with different oils, and if you want to make your lotion more liquid, so you want to go with the fractionated coconut oil. If you want to make the lotion more thicker like salve, then the virgin and the refined are the one you go. For the fractionated coconut oil, because its main composition is MCT, so this make it work as a good infusion process to help extract herbs to make the infused oil, and also recognize one of the best carrier oil for essential oil. ADI is LeTime, a new herb extractor. It has a multifunction. If you want to do the infusion, like using the coconut oil, you can choose the infusion, and it has a good temperature control. You manage the temperature around 145 Fahrenheit. And thanks to this large container, so you can either do like a water bath for the small, you have a small bottle of your herb with the coconut oil sitting there and do the infusion, or you can do like a liter at just one time and just pour the coconut oil and herb in there, do the infusion all the way up to the 4 liters. And because it's automatic, so it will manage the temperature and turn off based on the time setting you had. ADI is a very convenient machine for your herb extraction, including your infusion and hydrosol essential oil making. The fourth factor is the smoke point. Smoke point is when you heat up the oil before they burn, they make a smoke. The smoke point is very important. You don't want your oil get close to its smoke point before you're cooking using it. It's dangerous, and also the oil has changed. Higher the smoke point oil makes the oil better to be used for cooking. That's the refined coconut oil. It can reach up to 400 Fahrenheit. And the other two oils are equal to 350 Fahrenheit. The fifth factor is the shelf life. When you're making lotions, then the shelf life becomes one of the major factors. For the virgin coconut oil, it has about 1 year shelf life. It's compared with the other two coconut oil, it's shortest. And refined, because it already removes the water, impurities, the scent, those are easily to be oxidized. So it makes it a longer shelf life, but because it's still containing those like omega-6, omega-9, those are unsaturated fatty acid, those can still be vulnerable to be oxidized. So that makes its shelf life in the middle level, and the fractionated coconut oil, because they already removed most of the long chain other impurities, so it brings its longest shelf life. So when we are using the virgin coconut oil, refined coconut oil, and of course even the fractionated coconut oil, you want to add one major ingredient. This can help reduce oxidation of these nutrients. When we make lotion, the oil is a major part. So we want to have something to protect them. That is antioxidant called vitamin E. So virgin coconut oil contains a tiny bit of vitamin E. So if you go to refined coconut oil, you may feel regret you lost the nutrients from the coconut oil. Don't worry, you can add in. So choose the best plant-based vitamin E and use in the lotion. And this not only brings the benefits from vitamin E, but also it helps protect your oil like omega-6 and omega-9. The last factor is rancidity. We know the oil will become rancid with time. The rancid because the oxidation of the oil. The rancid of the oil coming from the oxidation of free fatty acid and those unsaturated fat. Couple tips for you to keep your oil away from the rancid. The first one, find a color bottle. So use a color bottle can block the UV. UV is one big factor causing those unsaturated, those are double bond, those can be break by the UV light. So color bottle. Second, avoid sunshine. Put it in the shade place, cool shade place. Avoid the high temperature also. The fourth one is the one I just mentioned, add vitamin E. The vitamin E is antioxidants. It will protect the oil and help them to stay longer time without being broken down. Okay, so here are the 6 factors I talk about today, and I'm going to put in the description part as well so you can read it, and hopefully you learn something about how to choose and use the 3 different coconut oil. And this is Dr. Leo. See you next time.